Hello friends, how are you? Hope you're doing well and welcome back to my channel Edutainment. So in this video we are going to talk about Chat GPT. So what is Chat GPT? Let's find here and you can see in the screen that Chat GPT app is showing here. I clicked on this. Now you can see Chat GPT is there. So now you can see the first question would be how to use Chat GPT. So let me show you with some example. If I'm talking about how to use Chat GPT, so if you'll put the question here, either you can write or you can click on this only, on the written word only, that is how to use Chat GPT. You can click on this. So now you can see I clicked on how to use Chat GPT. So here you can see the full detail is given here, that how you can use the Chat GPT. So let me read it first so that you could understand what exactly it happens, I mean how it works. Okay, so it is beginner's guide to Chat GPT, effective interaction tips. So, welcome interacting with ChatGPT can be an engaging and productive experience. Here are some essential tips to help you make the most out of your conversation. Start with a clear objective. So, first of all, you should start the chat with clear objective. Whatever you are going to ask, you should be clear. Then only ChatGPT can help you out. Let me read more. Start with a clear objective, define your goal, right? Second is phrase questions clearly. You should phrase the questions clearly. Third is use different responses styles. Iterate and refine. Ask for examples. Exploring, if you're not understanding, then you can ask for example, that if like whatever question you are putting on and chat gpt is answering you when, but you are not understanding, then you can ask with example, that please provide some examples of it, that chat gpt will provide you with clarity. Sixth one is explore different formats, lists, tables, narratives, polite and respectful interaction. Practice time, give me a prompt. Okay, so let's go back. I either you can go on right hand top. You can see three dots are showing here in right hand corner. You can click on it. If you want to delete your chat, then you can delete it, you can rename it, or you can share with your friends. So I am just deleting this, right? Because I would like to, I like make you understand more things. So here you can the written word is here. Chat GPT starter guide. Quiz me on word capitals. Write a thank you note. Plan a trip. Right. So there are so many questions you can ask. So this is the example only, that how you it works and how you can ask the question. So for example, I am writing here. Uh, India Pakistan war in detail. What's in detail? I write here. See, you'll get answer the about whole the wars happened in past. You can see first Indo-Pakistan war was in 1947 to 1948. Second Indo-Pakistan war was in 1965. Third Indo-Pakistan war in 1971. and fourth one is Kargil conflict 1999, other conflicts and skirmishes, nuclear dimensions, diplomatic efforts, right? So you can see the detailed information is here. For example, I'm just deleting this chat. For example, if I'm asking the question, please write an essay on cow in Sanskrit. Let's find here. See, chat gpt can provide you the answer in even in Sanskrit also. So you can see the power of chat gpt, that you can go through the multiple languages, not in Hindi, not in English only, not in Sanskrit, even you can ask other languages as well, right? So now you can see you got the essay in Sanskrit, right? Let me write here, write the essay in Hindi on mother. See, the answer is here, you can see. सी माँ एक माँ यह शब्द सुनते ही हमारे मन में ढेर सारी भावनाएं उमड़ उठती हैं। माँ का स्थान जीवन में अत्यंत महत्वपूर्ण होता है, एक्सेट्रा. सो नाउ यू कैन सी chat gpts understand Hindi, English, Sanskrit, and you can, I mean, ask the question in other languages as well. So I think chat gpt is going to be help you out. So let's make a plan for a whole day. Please make, I'm asking a question to chat gpt, please make a timetable for whole day. It will ask some, because I am not specific. Here my question is not specific because I have not given all the information, because on what basis chat gpt is going to help me out, because I have simply asked the question that please provide me the timetable of whole day. So it is now, it is asking specific questions, some specific questions where it is asking the time. I mean, 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. wake up and morning routine. Wake up, fresh up, exercise or yoga, breakfast. 7 a.m. and 8 a.m. personal development. So if you'll ask, you'll put here the specific time, then it will provide you specific time. But as per the question, it is providing you the details. In second, you can see 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. personal development. Here it is mentioned in bulletin that reading or study time, planning for the day. 8 to 12 p.m. work study, focused work or study sessions, break 10 to 15 minutes every hour. So it is providing the timetable for you, for your, as per your need, like what is the basic need of the person, and or person, or the body. So what is the requirement of a body? After doing all work we need a break, right? So it is, they go in third one, it is showing 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. work study. Here it is mentioned in bulletins, focused work or study sessions, break 10 to 15 minutes or and every hour. 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. lunch break, 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. work study, 4 p.m. to 3:30 tea coffee. So this is the routine of the people. Basically people follow these routines. If you'll provide some specific question, it will provide you the specific answer as well. So now I'll show you something else. So whatever question coming around in your mind, please ask the question and you'll get the answer. Whatever question it is, you can go ahead. So now in the left hand corner, you can see two lines are there. I clicked on it. You can see chat GPT option is here, and now also there are four dots where it is written explore GPT. I clicked on explore GPT. Now you can see PDF AI PDF, consensus, craftful product coach, Remoyer. You can go through these options also, and it will going to help you out. Topics, featured. I click on featured, trending. In trending, you can see image generator, write for me, Scholar GPT, Canva, Video GPT by Veed, logo creator. So all these options you can utilize here through the chat GPT only. You can provide the right information. You can get this all information by chat GPT. I hope you understand. So, what is the benefit of Chat GPT, since it is going to help you out in a larger way? Because Chat GPT is the platform where you can ask each and every question. You can get the information right way, and in any other languages, like whatever language you are using, in another language also you'll get the information. So I hope you like this video, and you are going to enjoy this, and you are going to get benefited. So thank you for watching.